In a dimly lit room, a group of conspirators huddled around a table. "Ah, tonight's the night," whispered Tom, eyes gleaming. "We'll light up the sky." "Are you sure this will work?" asked Jerry, nervously glancing at the barrels. "Of course," Tom grinned. "It's foolproof." As the clock struck midnight, they crept into the cellar, ready to ignite their plan. Suddenly, a loud sneeze echoed. "Achoo!" "Bless you," said a guard, stepping into the light. "Plotting fireworks, are we?" "Just a little surprise," Tom chuckled. "Well, next time, try sparklers." The guard laughed. "Hit the like button, subscribe, and leave a comment to support us.